You had a great idea in that meeting yesterday, and you said nothing. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Your idea wasn't the problem. Your confidence was. And that's actually great news, because confidence is fixable. This is way more common than you think. Roughly 70% of employees say they fear speaking up in meetings, according to the CIPD Good Work Index and YouGov. 6 in 10 admit they're hesitant to voice their thoughts at work at all. This isn't a personality flaw. It's not that you're shy or unqualified. It's a widespread, measurable pattern playing out in offices everywhere, every single day. And here's the part nobody talks about. This silence has a price tag. Crucial Learning, formerly known as Vital Smarts, found that every avoided crucial conversation costs an organization about $7,500 and more than 7 lost working days. 1 in 3 employees believes their own silence has cost their company at least $25,000. Think about that. Not speaking up isn't playing it safe. It's an invisible tax on your career and your company. And it doesn't stop at meetings. Fear of public speaking has reportedly caused a huge share of workers, in some studies as high as 45%, to reject or avoid promotions altogether. Other research puts the number lower, closer to 7%. The exact figure shifts depending on who you ask, but the direction is crystal clear. Speaking anxiety is quietly capping careers before they even get started. So why does this happen? It comes down to something called psychological safety. That's the belief that you can speak up without fear of embarrassment or punishment. Google ran a massive internal study called Project Aristotle, analyzing dozens of teams to figure out what actually makes them succeed. They expected it to be skill, or experience, or star talent. It wasn't. Psychological safety was the single biggest predictor of team success. Full stop. Teams where people felt safe to take risks and be vulnerable outperformed teams stacked with raw talent but low trust. In other words, the room has to feel safe before your voice can show up in it. Here's the good news, and it's the whole point of this video. Confidence to speak up is not a fixed trait. It is a buildable skill. You can train it the same way you'd train a muscle. Start small. Voice one short opinion in a low-stakes meeting. You don't need a grand speech. You need a single sentence. Use simple scripts to lower the mental barrier of raising your hand. Something like,